Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are safe at your homes and doing your junior maths very finely and understanding also what your ma'am is teaching you. So, students, what we have done yesterday is we have done exercise 16A, unit 16 ka 16A we have done and 16B we have done. Today I am going to tell you 16C, that is multiplying measurements and dividing measurements. बिल्कुल just like ordinary numbers, just like you are multiplying ordinary numbers, in the same way we will multiply these measurements also. Just the thing which we have to do is you have to write different units in separate columns and multiply the smaller units first. Let me tell you all this with an example. Just see to it. Exercise 16C, we have to do multiplying measurements. Multiplying measurements में let's take one example. For example, you are having 19 meters 27 centimeters multiply by 2. You have to multiply this thing. What you have to do first, just separate the units. Units को separate किया. Now meter के after you just have to write below meters, write down the value which is in meters, and below centimeter write down the value which is in centimeters, and now multiply the whole with 2. 2 sevens are 14 का 4, 1 carry to the next number, 2 twos are 4 and 1 5, 54 centimeters, 2 nines are 18 का 8. जस्ट यू कैन सी ना कि मैम हैज़ गिवन सम स्पेस इन बिटवीन, जस्ट बिकॉज मैं अब मीटर्स के साथ उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ, इसलिए मैंने बीच में स्पेस दिया है बिकॉज ताकि वो डिफ्रेंशिएट हो सके. 2 9s are 18 का 8, 1 कैरी, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. So what is your answer? Your answer will be 38 meters and 54 centimeters. Is it clear? Let's take some another example. Like if you are having 21 kgs, 103 grams, and you have to multiply it with 5. So what you have to do, the first thing which we have to do is we have to separate the columns, and then below kg write the value which is in kg, below grams write the value which is in grams, and multiply the whole with the number. Let's do it. 5 3s are 15 ka 5, 1 carry, 5 zeros are 0 and 1 1, 5 1s are 5. This is your gram. Now before going to the next number, just do what you have to do is you just have to leave some space in between. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So this will be 105 kg and 515 grams. Is it clear? Let's do some more question that are there in your exercise. Let us do. So the question which I am taking is 14 meters 20 centimeters. You have to multiply this number with 7. तो अगेन सेपरेट द कॉलम्स, यूनिट्स को सेपरेटली लिखा एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर. लेट्स डू इट. 7 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14. अब आप बोलोगे कि मैम क्या 14 कम्प्लीटली इधर लिखें? नो. 7 2s are 14 का 4 you will write here and 1 will go on to the next number. This will be centimeters. 7 4s are 28, 28 और 1 29 का 9 carry 2, 7 1s are 7 and 9. So what will be your answer? 99 meters and 40 centimeters. Is it clear? बेटा rest of the questions जो भी हैं, the exercise questions which you are having, just do it on your own. These exercise ना, first question is to be done in your book only. Try to do this. Any doubts you have, ask me in the Zoom class. Then question number 2 is there. Question number 2 में भी A to J parts are there. Try to do them. Any doubts if you have, just ask me later on in the Zoom meeting. Okay. So now let's begin. Let's move further to our dividing measurement. Is it clear? So what are dividing measurements? We divide different units separately in 2 steps. If there is a remainder in the first step, we convert it into the smaller unit and add to the number of the next step. ठीक है. What we have to do is we just have to see how to convert the things and how to divide them. थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, ट्रिकी भी नहीं कहेंगे, we just need some little bit of information, then we will do it very clearly. Let's do some question, then it will be more clear to you. Exercise 16D. Here we have to divide measurements. So we will learn dividing measurements. Let's take one example. For example, if you are having what 18 meters 36 centimeters and you have to divide the whole with 3, तो आप क्या करोगे? Always remember, separate the columns and then write down the question. अब आप बोलोगे मैम आपने स्पेस क्यों छोड़ा? बिकॉज बेटा आई हैव टू राइट द क्वेश्चन हियर, दैट्स वाई. मीटर्स में वी हैव 18, तो जस्ट राइट 18 बिलो सेंटीमीटर्स, बिलो मीटर्स, और सेंटीमीटर्स में वी हैव 36, तो राइट 36 बिलो सेंटीमीटर्स. नाउ 3 की टेबल में 18 इज देयर, येस. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट गोज? 6. 3 6 आर 18, तो माइनस किया, यू विल गेट 0. नाउ नोट डाउन द नेक्स्ट डिजिट. अब जस्ट लिसन टू मी वन थिंग, कि आप जो नेक्स्ट डिजिट नोट कर रहे हो वो सेंटीमीटर्स की कर रहे हो, तो क्वेश्चन भी जो आप लिखोगे वो सेंटीमीटर्स में लिखोगे. तो 3 1s आर 3 वी हैव, तो इट इज़ 0. नोट डाउन द नेक्स्ट डिजिट 6. 3 2s आर 6. So what will be your answer? Your answer is this question. Your answer will be 6 meters 12 centimeters. Is it clear? It's easy now? Yes. Now take another question. For example, if you are having 82 centimeters 4 millimeters and you are dividing it with 4. Similarly, same thing, separate करना है units को. Write down the question. Centimeters के नीचे the digit which is in centimeter and millimeters के नीचे the digit which is in millimeter. So 4 2s are 8 we have, minus किया 0. नेक्स्ट डिजिट नोट किया 2. बेटा नेक्स्ट डिजिट 2 इज़ नॉट कमिंग इन द टेबल ऑफ 4, तो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल राइट 0 हियर एंड नोट डाउन द नेक्स्ट डिजिट विच इज़ 4. अब एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखो, ये जो नई डिजिट है मैंने 4 यहाँ पे नोट की है, दैट शुड बी वॉट. कैसे किया मैंने? बेटा देखो 2 सेंटीमीटर्स था और 1 सेंटीमीटर में 10 मिलीमीटर्स होते हैं, इसलिए मैं उसको डायरेक्टली लिख पा रही हूँ. ओके, तो 24 इज़ कमिंग इन द टेबल ऑफ 4, येस. इट गोज़ 6 टाइम्स. आई एम राइटिंग 6 इन मिलीमीटर्स क्योंकि मैं मिलीमीटर्स की डिजिट को नोट कर चुकी हूँ. तो 4 6 आर 24. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 0. तो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? योर आंसर विल बी 20 सेंटीमीटर्स 6 millimeters. Is it clear? It's so easy now. Yes. Let's do some or more questions to understand it clearly. Let's take another question which is 947 meters 65 centimeters. We have to divide it with 11. This is question number D. आपके exercise का ही D part है. तो I have separated the terms and then write down the question. Meters में we have 947 and centimeters में we have 65. So first of all 94 से smallest number which is coming in the table of 11, it's 8. तो 11 8s are 88. Subtract किया, what you will get? 6 you will get. And then note down the next digit. 67 से lesser number कौन सा होता है? 66. So 11 6s are 66. Subtract किया, you will get 1. ठीक है. एक और तरीका होता है बेटा, 1 तो है मिलीमीटर्स में है, आपको सेंटीमीटर्स में उसको कन्वर्ट करना है. तो 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं ना, तो दिस विल बी 1 into 100 एंड नोट डाउन द सेंटीमीटर पार्ट. क्यों बेटा? बिकॉज 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स आर देयर. सो दिस विल बिकम 165. ठीक है, 165. 11 1s are 11 यू विल राइट, माइनस 6 में से 1 गया 5. नेक्स्ट डिजिट नोट करो. 11 5s are 55. माइनस किया 0. What is your answer? Your answer is 86 meters 15 centimeters. अब आप बोलोगे कि मैम 1 के साथ 6 नोट कर लेते तो भी तो क्वेश्चन हो जाता. yes, हो जाता. If you don't want to write this, you can. But this is the good thing. अगर आपको ये चीज़ पता है तो आपको मैम बहुत अच्छा से ट्रीट करेंगी and this is the thing which is very much important. Is it clear? So try to do all the questions which are given in your exercise 16D में. Only one question is there. Question number 1 K till K parts are there. Try to do them. Any doubts you all feel, just note down them, note down your doubts and clear them in Zoom class tomorrow. So good day, goodbye and take care. Do all the questions properly.